it's Josie here from BioMD, and today we're going to talk about how to properly dose CBD tinctures.
I really like the BioMD dropper because it is very clearly marked and you can decide how much you need and dose accordingly. Most days I like to take about 75 milliliters, but some days I go up to 100 milliliters. How much CBD a person requires really depends on their own individual needs for that day. For best results, place the tincture beneath your tongue and hold it there for about 60 seconds. And then swallow. I also really like to put some CBD oil in my coffee sometimes. It really helps keep my energy level stable throughout the day.
I hope all of this information has been useful to you, and thank you for watching.